Welcome to the Michigan winter of 2024-2025.
Choose to go in the middle of a snowstorm.
We got Ben in here now.
Guys, I'm here in near Mendon, Michigan right now, and we've got some pretty bad visibility here. We're approaching the Silver Street M60 intersection here.
Look at that come down at the gas station.
I'm heading towards Leonidas. Oh, there goes my camera. That was cool. Whiteout conditions here pretty bad.
That's like a 1/16 of a mile visibility right there. That's
not even a 16th. I can't see the road.
That's not good.
Yeah, I'm following the rumple strips to make sure I stay on the road here because I'm taking it about 15 miles an hour right now.
Are you to Leonidas yet? Or
I'm
not yet?
Not so Leonidas, but I can see better through my phone screen than through.
You know, I would actually have to agree.
Yeah, I'm looking at my phone screen right now. Whoop. I am driving off the road. We're gonna move off into.
Hey Ben, don't do that, please. Thank you.
Yeah, please don't.
It's your Christmas tree.
Oh, check that out. That's ginormous.
It's a very nice tree.
That was the closest.
Hopefully everyone stayed safe on the roads. If you were watching Michigan Storm Chasers live last night, we got into some nasty conditions out there.
I do think the balking head kitty is cute.
Thank you.
Oh, here comes a ditched car.
Oh, there's a ditched car right there.
And now the UPS.
And
truck.
it's tagged. Oh, look, there's where I rolled off the hill. Rolled down the hill several times.
Where?
The Baptist church right over there.
Oh. I'm like.
It's a slip and slide.
Oh, correctly. Oh, look at that guy.
Wow, that was wild. Oh yeah, we got an accident up here on eastbound. This isn't good, you guys. This is a semi-trailer got stopped by the fence here. See that? Eastbound I-94 by 4th Street. Oh no. That's semi. Oh my goodness, that's pretty bad. I sure hope everyone's okay. Eastbound I-94 is backed up here. A few minutes late to work today is worth it if you get out of an accident. There's a car in the ditch up here. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of stuff happening over here. There it is. Car in the ditch right there. Another car in the ditch. Wow. Looks like it got pretty hectic over here. Oh. Yes, sir. Get the business done. Oh no, it's this part of the highway. I'm going to die. I'm going to die. Here's another plow. Benton Harbor's getting well looked after today. Look at all this blowing snow we got here. Whew. Welcome to Tuscarnia Park. Look at the wind up here. All right. There's your waves. We got it. We're cooking. Michigan winter. Woohoo! You should know that going out on a pier in this kind of weather is very dangerous. The thing about this pier that's different from the others is that this one has a fence. Think before you do things like this. Also got some good gloves. Got a nice hood. Should be well equipped to handle this. Maybe. Oh boy. I'm gonna want to be careful here. These are higher than when I was here before. I don't know how far I got out. I'm gonna go here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're gonna be a little careful here. Here's the shore. Definitely feeling cold. All right, I'm gonna tread this lightly. Check out the waves right here. I'm gonna stand close to the middle. Yeah, these are higher than when I was here last time. painful. Hit my face. Ah. Woo! It's like, it hurts so bad. Check this out. Oh, this is painful sleet, dude. I keep my back to it. Don't try this at home. Oh, that wave was big. Wisdom needs to be exercised here. Here's a wave coming up over this fence. Got some spray. This pier right here, you do not want to go on over here. Absolutely not. I'm not going over there. Staying where the fences are. Something to block off any big problems. Check out this wave. Woo! Okay, the sleet's letting up. Thank goodness. That hurt. That sleet was painful. Check out all these birds. Oh! Oh, here comes the sleet again. Ah! It hurts. Hang on tight. That sleet is painful, dude. There's a wave. It's getting up there. Gotta go a little further to see it. Look at that spray. Oh! Wow. See it? The wave's kicking up over here. There's the lighthouse. We're getting closer. Here comes a crashing wave. Woo! Here comes another one. Not as bad. Everything. Look at these icicles. That's cool. Alright, hold on to this. Heck yeah, dude. Oh, shoot. Alright. This is the part of going. Here it comes. Oh, it's like a windbreak. It's like these icicle wall here. Whoa! I got wet. Yes, sir. Here comes another one. You ready? Whoa! Let's get a good crashing wave on the lighthouse here. That's what I want to see. Oh, here comes a big one. Here it comes. Here it comes. Water. Ah. The water's freezing in my glasses. There's blowing snow happening on the lakeshore. Wow, look at that wave over there. Here it comes. Here it comes. Race for impact. That wasn't too bad. That's better. This is painful. Oops. Oh, here comes a big one. Ready? Race. Yes, sir. I got icicles coming off my face yet. Oh, here it comes. Woo-hoo-hoo. A little anticlimactic. Oh, the wind didn't really help. Oh! Where's the surfers? Come on, right. Get your boogie board and get out here. Oh, look at those waves out there. Yeah, this is crazy ice on the lake. Check out that. Think about that. Stand up here. Whoa! Wow. Wind seems to be picking up a little bit. Uh-oh. No, I thought that would... Ooh, check out that wave in the lighthouse. Uh-oh. What are you doing? Crash! Oh! That was a lot of water. Oh, we're cooking. Dang, son. December 5th. You have been good today. Oh yeah. Here goes another one. Oh shoot! Yes, sir. Woo! I literally can't feel my neck. My neck is numb. Last bout right here. This is it. I gotta get back to my car and warm up. This is not going unsafe for me. Oh my word. Holy smokes. Oh, that's a good one. Alright, you guys, I'm really starting to feel the effects of the cold. My neck is so numb that it's like locking up a little bit, like my neck muscles are. I need to turn around and go back and warm up. Woo! Yeah, being on a pier is very dangerous. I do agree. Look at this. My snow pants have a layer of ice on them. I don't know if I'm going to do that again. I don't think I'm going to go back out there. That's probably the only time. Like, I can't feel the entire left side of my neck. My face, just starting to feel it again. All right, that snow band is now over I-94. We may go back and intercept that. There's your snow band. Papa, papa, my word, buddy. What is going on right here? A lot of snow on top of this thing. ridiculous. This is kind of the stuff that can cause accidents sometimes. This is where the traffic's backed up. So we're probably gonna have to exit here soon. You know, I actually put myself into this mess. Yay! Stranded at 994. So this is exciting.
Just a few feet forward.
This is why you drive slower in snowy conditions. So you don't end up in an incident like this and hurt yourself. And also you do not create a jam like this as well. First one to see a red one and call it out. Look at I-94, slower than ever before. I'll build a snowman right here, sitting and complaining and dropping your phone every stinking time. Kind of nice, actually. Yeah. No. We're moving. Yay. There's one piece. No. I need to find a way to get eyes for him. Oh, I got sticks. I've got leaf. I got twigs. Look at this little guy. Look at him. Escape mode. Woohoo! We got out! Of course. I love this. Look at this. This is gorgeous. These trees are enormous! Oh. Sir, I'm sliding, sir. Sir, I'm trying, I'm sorry. The intense stress that entered my body at that moment. There's a semi slid off the road right here. Oh my gosh, dude. We gotta take it slow here. Wow. That's crazy. It's pretty crippled here on Stadium Drive. Yeah, this is bad, you guys. Here on Stadium Drive. Westbound I-94 is blocked off now on this side too. See that?
Can tell you that for nothing.
We got big problems in Kalamazoo today. Oh, oh, oh. Man in the ditch. We got a guy in the ditch right here.
Yep. Oh, man. You are embarrassing.